ears.
Right here. Okay.
So what do you? Hey, okay, your birthday's.
Hello, this is Bumble Face One, and I'm here with my cousin.
My name is Christina. You might know me. I do singing in my
Classroom.
yeah, maybe yeah, you know.
So what are you guys doing?
We're gonna shoot.
Yeah,
We're gonna get busted.
Let's start the war. 3, 2, 1, go! You guys, there's no bullets. Oh, you need to count your hits. Hey, Christine, you hit. See how my sister's doing. Switch the gun. Hurry up. You're running low. You're running low. Go. Switch the gun. Hurry up. Your gun.
Okay. Oh, come on. It fell off.
Hi.
You have to say hit. I got hit. Hit. Okay, this is getting tiring already. This actually just started. Okay. How much time is
How good are you doing?
Ha! Okay.
So there are 9 hits on Caitlin and 6 hits on Christine. Let's get this going.
Tyler, you don't have to say that every time. Why don't you say hit, Kate? Hit. Okay. Oh! I have so much guns, I have no idea which one to use.
Oh, it's good.
And this is the end of the video.
Wait!
See ya!
We know it's not even... Wait, we know the video is actually...